Hello friends, welcome you all to Polity Simplified series of Dnyanadeep Academy. Today we are going to study the most important article of the Indian Constitution, article number 60. It talks about oath or affirmation by the President of India. Article 60, it talks about what is the form of oath and affirmation given by the President of India. Let's go in details of this article. Very interesting and few points are very essential. See what it says. See, every president and every person acting as president, if at all a presidential office is vacant, it is absent. In that case, if any other person is acting as president, so every president and every other person acting as president of India or discharging the functions of president shall, before entering upon his office, so he must take oath before entering upon the office, makes and subscribe in the presence of Chief Justice of India, or in his absence, the senior most judge of the Supreme Court, available an oath or affirmation in the following form, that is to say, that what he will say. So what we are saying, the form of oath given in Article 60 is applicable for president or a person acting on behalf of president or a person who is discharging duties of president. He must take oath before Chief Justice of India, or if the Chief Justice of India is not available, the senior most judge of the Supreme Court. It is not saying that the judge sent by Chief Justice of India or the judge nominated by Chief Justice of India. It is saying that judge who is the senior most in seniority after Chief Justice of India will subscribe oath to the President of India, and the form of oath says like this. See what it says. What president should go for? That I, AB, do swear in the name of God that I will faithfully execute the office. First thing, that it is an oath for faithfully executing the office, solemnly affirm of the President or discharge functions of the President of India, and will, the best way of my ability, preserve, protect and defend the Constitution and the law. Right? The Constitution and the law, and that I will devote myself to the service and well-being of the people of India. Remember this thing. So what we are seeing here, what all are the contents in the oath? First thing, faithfully execution of the office is first point. Second, preserving, protecting and defending the Constitution of India. Second thing. Third, talking about the law. Fourth, service and well-being of the people of India. These are the four most important components of the oath given by the President of India. See, when difficulty of the questions they want to increase, they will definitely go towards these kinds of questions. Well, they will ask you what is basic content in these articles. And I request every one of you, just try to understand these articles in a structured manner so that it will be easier for you to understand all these articles in a easiest way. That's all. Thank you.